Golden morning! This is Rhea, your marketing officer from Golden Haven, Angeles. And today, I will tour you in must-visits in Angeles, Pampanga. But first, let's start in Golden Haven, Angeles.
Golden Haven, Angeles is conveniently located and easily accessible from various points. From Metro Angeles, a short drive via MacArthur Highway leading to Magalang. From other parts of Pampanga, accessible through NLEX, providing a smooth and quick route. Nearby landmarks are just a few minutes away from Marquee Mall, ensuring convenience for visitors.
So, andito na tayo ngayon sa ating second destination, which is the Holy Rosary Parish Church. It's also known as the Pisawtong Barangay here in Angeles, Pampanga. And this church was constructed last 1877, so it's already 148 years old. So, ang galing, di ba? Kaya tara, ibutin natin siya. Since ang Pilipinas ay isang prominent Christian country, ang ating susunod na destination ay church ulit. At ito ang Apong Mama Kalulu Church here in Angeles, Pampanga. And by our tradition, huwag niyong kakalimutang humiling ng 3 bagay kung first time niyong mag-visit sa isang church. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang food trip. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Clark para i-try ang original sisig ni Aling Lusing, the Sisig King. Original sisig, ano?
Alam niyo ba na kaya tinawag na Sisig Queen si Aling Lusing ay dahil siya ang nakaimbento ng original sizzling sisig.
CBT Park, na walking distance lang from Aling Lusing. And kung mahilig ka sa mag-jogging, mga recreational activities like soccer, perfect yung place na to para sa'yo. And sa tapat naman ng CDC Park, matatagpuan yung Museum Kapampangan and 4D Theater along with kapehan and mga kainan na iba't iba.
Kitang-kita naman sa mga napuntahan natin na ang Pampanga ay isang prime destination, which makes it a great place to invest. And speaking of investment, dito din sa Pampanga matatagpuan ang 3 branches ng Golden Haven Memorial Park, sa San Fernando, Arayat, and sa Angeles City. Sa Angeles din matatagpuan ang first ever air-conditioned columbarium sa Pampanga, which is called Golden Haven Elysee.
And in just a short period of time, nandito na ulit tayo sa Golden Haven, Angeles. If you want to know more about Golden Haven, Angeles, feel free to visit our social media pages and our website. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Malawas ka, Pampanga!